Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna make a high-speed train. This time not a diesel train, not a station. It's just a riding board in city rider. I don't know what to comment. If you want to more of these Lego ideas, you can comment down below. Okay, like a Lego. Things like Lego Minecraft. I do have one of these videos. Now let's get started. We're gonna need these pieces. One this and one this, okay? One vent trapdoor, one maroon, one by 2 brick, and one by 4 brick. Plate. Now we're gonna get started. Now first we're gonna do this. Second, put this, okay? Second, this. Okay? And the last piece, that's the fourth one. I'm gonna call it a fifth. Because you see 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the fifth, right? Now we have make the train. Now for this big boy, obviously. This time we're gonna need many of these blue pieces and only one black piece. First take this one, okay? First let me show you all the pieces. These. 2 of these. And 2 of these. 1 of these. Okay? 1 of these. And 1 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. Okay. First we're gonna do these 2 pieces. Okay. Now like this. You know that you need these pieces to disable them. Okay, I've put them on. Now 1 of these pieces. These 1 by 2 pieces. We also used 1 by 2 of these, but a maroon one, not a blue one. Now 1 of these. Put it here. Put it here. Now 1 of these. Now, obviously 1 of these, these. Now, this black one is the last one. Now this one, please see it. Now we're gonna put the last piece. The bridge needs support, or it will fall off, obviously. Now let's give it a test. Will it be not confirmed or a bust? Let's see. It can. Now let's see. First we're gonna see if it can go up. Yes. Now let's see a floating train. What does a floating train look like? We're gonna see. It's about 1 block, 2, Oh my gosh, what is it? I can't do it. It's burning my eyes and whole. It can do what is this? When did I even suggest this? Like 2.25% of it. I'm just gonna say 2.25% of it is on the ground, and 2.75% of it is not in the ground. What is this? Now, if you can also comment out the funniest thing, like a floating train. Okay, bye.